bulldozer.
On the job, the bulldozer is a...
Machine.
Instead of wheels, it has big... These big metal belts spin forward and... to move the to make the bulldozer move. The bulldozer also has a huge
blade
that crashes and bangs as it. The blade is that is very strong. The bulldozer blade can push over
trees.
And its crawler tracks can crawl right over the
trees.
The blade can do other too.
Actually, fall down.
It can flatten big piles of...
Looks like it needs a tow truck.
It can flatten big piles of...
gravel.
To make...
Move a road.
Bulldozers are powerful enough to climb up very steep hills. The ripper on the back of a bulldozer is used to... And then the blade can move them out of the way. Bulldozers move very
slow.
They are loaded into
big trucks
and moved from job to job. Would you like to see the inside of the... Climb around. The bulldozer driver is called the...
But not climb around.
Climb aboard.
Climb aboard.
Sorry. Climb aboard. The bulldozer's driver is called the... The operator's cab sits up over the... It has all the controls that make the bulldozer...
No, thank you.
Work. The operator uses...
There's something on my nose.
I know you have a scab there, buddy.
Uses pedals...